Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and wow, give yourself a huge pat on the back because this is episode 20. We're officially 2/3 of the way through this 30-day journey, and I'm so proud of your consistency. That means you're not just watching videos anymore. You're becoming a serious English learner. Today, we're talking about daily routines. But don't worry, we're not just going to list boring words like eat and sleep. I'm going to show you the phrasal verbs Americans actually use to talk about their day. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your day naturally, from the moment you open your eyes until you hit the pillow. So, if you're ready to celebrate day 20 with some real-life English, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's begin with the morning. Instead of only saying get up, Americans usually make a small but important distinction. We wake up when we open our eyes, but we get up when we actually leave the bed. After that, we usually shower and get ready, which covers everything: brushing your teeth, doing your hair, and getting dressed. And when we leave the house, we don't always say leave. A very natural phrase is head out. For example, I usually wake up at 7, but I don't get up until 7:15. Then I head out for work at 8. I usually wake up at 7, but I don't get up until 7:15. Then I head out for work at 8. Now, let's talk about the daytime. When it comes to food, instead of saying I eat lunch, Americans often say grab a bite. It sounds quick, casual, and very natural. And when you're busy and productive, you can say get things done. For example, I have a lot to do today, so I'm trying to get things done before 5 p.m. I have a lot to do today, so I'm trying to get things done before 5 p.m. After a long day, it's time to relax. When we arrive home, we often say get back or get home, like I usually get back around 6. Then we wind down, which means to relax slowly and let go of stress. And if you're extremely tired, you don't just go to bed, you crash. For example, I like to wind down with a book before I crash around 11. All right, now let's practice together. Relax your shoulders and repeat after me with energy. I usually wake up early, but I stay in bed for 10 minutes. I usually wake up early, but I stay in bed for 10 minutes. I head out for work around 8 o'clock. I head out for work around 8 o'clock. Let's grab a bite for lunch at 12. Let's grab a bite for lunch at 12. I need some time to wind down after a long day. I need some time to wind down after a long day. I'm so tired, I'm ready to crash. I'm so tired, I'm ready to crash. Excellent! You're sounding more natural every single day. Day 20 is officially in the books. Talking about your daily routine is one of the easiest ways to share your life and connect with others, so keep practicing. Here's your episode 20 homework. Describe your morning in 3 simple steps using the phrases from today. For example, I wake up at 6, get ready at 6:30, and head out at 7. I'll be reading your routines in the comments, and if you're proud of reaching day 20, give this video a thumbs up. Tomorrow in episode 21, we're moving into travel and transportation, how to get around a new city with confidence. I'm Michelle from Everyday English. Don't just learn English, live English. Goodbye, and I'll see you at the start of our final 10 days.